Hello? Hey, babe. What you doing? You trying to do what? Oh, I forgot you asked me that earlier. Yeah, he out of school. I just picked him up, too. No, he not gonna mind. You just need his login? Like the okay.
What login?
He said, can he, something about the login so he could, what is called?
So my Chromebook? He trying to do my work?
No, he not trying to do your work. He wanted to know if you could let him log in to play 2K. I told him, yeah, earlier. I forgot to ask you when you got in the car.
No.
Yeah.
No. He a grown man. He ain't got 135.
Wait. Time out. Before we get into all this, listen. There is a funny component of all of this stuff. You know what I mean? Just the fact that she's joking with him, but it's deeper. It's completely deeper than that, man. If you look at his facial expression when she said something about Bay, the look on his face. I don't know. I don't know this young lady, so I'm just gonna speculate. All right. I could be wrong. I'm always open to the possibility that I'm wrong, but men, even young men, are very territorial, all right, about the people that are in their life. And this is why it's so important that mothers stay with the fathers, the biological fathers of their children, because of things like this, man. This young man got instantly tricked. When she said bae, he was just like, yo, bro. Bro got tight immediately. Like, man, you can see the dog on the little jawbone and everything. Your boy was upset, but you know what? I'm gonna let the rest of this thing play before we jump back into this thing.
What?
He's a grown man. He ain't got 135.
Hey.
So you call him a grown man, bae, and he ain't even got 135 to pay for a 2K. But he let a kid get it before him.
Hey. Babe, give me a second. Hold on.
The bae is diabolical.
Hey, why you always do that when I'm on the phone? Like, embarrass me. Like, you just...
You want to know, you stop calling him bae, because for him, it stands for broke. And you know the...
But here's the thing. I just simply asked you to let the man use your login.
Look, the man not using my login. I'm not giving my login to no grown man who can go pay 135 for a game. So you like broke dudes, basically.
No, I was just...
You like broke dudes, basically.
He couldn't get the game yet. He couldn't get the game yet, so can he...
Okay, how he couldn't get the game yet? He ain't got it?
I guess.
He ain't got it?
I didn't ask that much. She asked could he use yours.
So you take time out your life to help a man who don't even got $135. So what he gonna take you on a date?
So you're not gonna do it?
No. I mean, tell him no.
Hello? Yeah, he don't have it. I thought he had the game.
I got it. You just not getting it, partner.
Okay.
And go on somewhere if you ain't got 135. We don't need you over here.
Okay, I'm gonna call you back.
She ain't calling you back.
Bye.
Promise you that.
Again, like, listen, we can laugh and we can joke about this thing all day, but it is a lot of issues and problems that I have with this. Y'all know I have spoke about it so many times on this platform as well as my other platforms. How important it is to always respect your elders, your mom, regardless of what she got going on. There's a certain way that you speak to the person that gave birth to you, even if you don't necessarily agree. And again, I know this is a joke, but we still got to be honest, right? There is always going to be a certain way that you need to behave and talk to your elders or whatever. You know what I mean? And just say, for instance, if I was in those shoes, right? If I was a young man in this situation, oh, he ain't getting that password. Oh, he's not getting that password because the gamers already know what it is. Bro, I done made it to this point in my doggone season. I don't want you messing up my doggone percentage, my money, anything that I've worked my doggone butt off. Oh, you're not getting that password. For real. You're not getting it. Even if I do have to cough a password up, it ain't gonna be the right one. I'm like, dang man, I done forgot all about that, dog. For real. You not getting there. So In that aspect, I completely understand. You not getting that password, fam. Now, again, going back to what I was speaking about earlier, man. Like, I know this is a joke. I completely understand that, but under no circumstances do I think a conversation should be going. It should be like a back and forth, like what I just seen right here. I don't think that this is respectful. I understand again. A mom is joking, and they may have that type of relationship, which it's a lot of things that can go wrong with this. Because just say, for instance, right, and I'm not saying this particular situation, but when you get this doggone grown, you should be already out the door. There is no way in the world you should be talking to your mother like that. The person that's probably putting clothes on your back, food on the table, making sure that you're probably getting back and forth to school, probably paying for that phone, everything. Like, you should not speak to a person that gave birth to you like this. That's just my point of view. I know we're probably gonna have some people down in the comments that completely disagree with it. And listen, I'm always open to the possibility that I'm wrong. I'm always open to any comments that you guys may have, but just my personal belief, I would never do anything like this. And if I'm ever in a situation, God forbid, on down the line or whatever, what have you, if I ever catch a child of mine speaking to their mother like this, yeah, nah, we not having it. We not having it. We nipping that stuff in the bud before it even get to that point. It's a no for me. It's a no for me. But y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments about this. All right. Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. That boy said he too broke, boy. That's crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.